She saw him on the news.
Imposible, o sea, me tienta mucho, pero ha sido sola, estaba con una fiebre y no puede ni mover el sillón y no voy a...
¡No!
La rompió. La rompió. La rompió. Rompió la tele y la toilet.
A situação da cachorro pra pegar o ar-condicionado. Essa cachorrinha é terrível.
And I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I'm fine.
Bro, I can't make this up. On 2 feet though, gang. You diabolical.
What would you do? Come break me down. Bury me. I am finished with you.
Hey, mac and cheese, how you doing, buddy? Oh, Larry, you're in here. I didn't see you, buddy.
Bear, let him out the basket. Who does that? Look at the poor cat. Bear, let him out the damn basket.
You are so silly. Are you a bat or a cat?
Why are you gonna be so needy all the time? What you want?
Yo, check her out, yo. She over there loving him. Look que linda. She is not scared of him. Look. She like, man, let me love you, Pop. Look at his face.
Te prende.
Don't do it. Oh, you're just giving me kisses? Uh-huh. Don't do it. Don't do it. I'm so vulnerable right here. Come on. Look at y'all, look at. You!
Down you come. Come on.
They told me I was buying a chihuahua. This big ass dog. Blaze. Yeah, what kind of dog is this?
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
Hello, motherfucker.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Gonna go for a walk?
Don't do that.
Oh my goodness.
My brisket.
Oh, you make me so happy.
It can't hurt you. What? Do you not like my hat? What's the matter? He hates it.
Oh, correct. State. Correct.
I just think it's really rude when, just because I don't want to pet you. Hey, I'm talking to you. I just think it's rude that just because I don't want to pet you, you just hit me. Do you even care about my feelings? Hello? I just.
Hey, Father, help!
Is that your baby, Ella? Yeah, is that your baby? Yeah, are you happy?
Longe de toda negatividade de você. Rosinha da Páscoa, que trazes pra mim? Um surto, três surto pra mim.
Honey, you have to get used to it if you want to go on the porch. Honey. Pee-pee. Come here, honey.
She's so angry.
Honey.
You're in my way.
It's okay. She keeps sinking because she's laying in empty space. My feet are oh. Oh, heck.
I'm so hungry. I can eat a dog. Okay, I'm just playing.
Yok, en son 16 Nisan'da bir şey yüklemişsiniz. O da belki Metroide diye. Tamam. Bugün yarın tamam. Hafta sonu kesin tamam.
His greed sickens me.
Look at Titan. He crawled further up on me.
Yeah. Why she's so scared?
Her şeye kafanı sokarsan.
The vaccine, right? Like, I brought up all these things because I think they're all important conversations. Whatever you believe,
What are you doing?
have the conversation.
Dude, you scared me so bad. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? Get out of there. You're not a cat. Get out of there.
My Cat Chasing Her Tail, Part 2. Sit.
What's going on? Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Thank you to everyone who nominated me for the DSU Bark Your Mind Challenge. I want to nominate Snoop Dogg, Scooby-Doo, and Tortuga Burgers. You have 24 hours.
Ivan, hey.
Guess my son's birthday. She not gonna say nothing because he too fucking fly right now. Well, usually y'all know how he do. It's my baby birthday. He really like this. Like, he like being dressed up. Like, he acting shy, but he really like it.
You know what you did, Shane?
Oh! Sharkeisha! Oh my God! Sharkeisha!
Oh, are you okay?
Motherfucker, you. Go away. Go. I'm using a pillow. Go.
Playing a game of whack fuck here. Whack.
Oh my God.
He hasn't noticed me yet. Chaos. Hi. Hi. Hi, buddy.
Touching me. She's touching me.
I'm not touching you.
You're touching me.
Not touching.
Touching me.
Michu, te lo tienes que dejar más tiempo.
You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
What's he doing up there? Oh. You got it, bud. Good save. You're my baby. You're my baby.
So go around.
You're my baby.
Greco, scary.
You're my. Ow!
Scary, Greco.
Detectives go into Kevin's apartment.
¿Qué se pasa? Allá. ¿Qué ella?
Hey. Hey.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone. Yes, when all is said and done.
Mírala, eres bien necia, No me estés picando mi costilla, me duele muy recio. Mírala, tú ya la estás haciendo con saña, Como que ya te enojaste. Órale, cocazo.
Bang. Bang.
What's in there? What is it?
We're in like a pack of sardines, and we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
Gwen, honey, it's time for your pill. Are you asleep? You taking a nap? Are you actually napping, though? Gwen? Okay, since you're asleep, I won't give you your pill. Or the sweat food. Ah,
Hey, what you doing?
Fenomenal, Messi para McAllister, McAllister para Messi. Ahora viene para Julián. Y Julián lo metió para McAllister. Creo que será gol de Di María, ¿vio? Así va Di María. Gol, 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 gol.
Oh, please don't jump up there. Oh, you dumb.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
The bloody dog. He been so bad today. He not fucking listening to me.
¿Qué estás ahí? Bájate.
And I think he's got the zooms now. Oh, look, dirt on the stairs.
Oh my gosh, Noki! Are you okay, baby?
You want to go for a walk?
Get in there. Fuck it up. Let's go. Get in there. You got it. Ready? You're gonna do it. Ready? Get in there. Get in there. Yeah, you got it. Let's go. Come on. Get in. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Woo! Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God.